Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible Audi R8, one of the most iconic sports cars in the world. This beauty is a perfect blend of aggressive styling, luxurious comfort, and mind-blowing performance. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates fine engineering, this review is for you. Starting off with the exterior, the Audi R8 is a real head-turner. Its low-slung stance, wide body, and sharp lines give it a commanding presence on the road. The signature LED headlights and aggressive front grille make it unmistakably Audi. Around the back, the large diffuser and dual exhaust outlets emphasize its sporty character. You also get sleek, aerodynamic side blades that not only add style but also function to channel air to the engine. The R8 sits on 19 or 20-inch alloy wheels, depending on the trim, giving it a solid grip and stance. Inside the cabin, Audi keeps things minimal but ultra-premium. The driver-focused cockpit includes a fully digital 12.3-inch virtual cockpit display that shows everything from navigation to performance stats. The materials are top-notch Alcantara, fine leather, and carbon fiber accents are used generously. The seats are not just sporty but incredibly supportive, especially when you're pushing the car to its limits. Despite being a supercar, the R8 doesn't compromise on comfort. You get features like dual-zone climate control, a Bang & Olufsen sound system, and smartphone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now let's talk performance, and this is where the R8 truly shines. Under the hood, it packs a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine. Depending on the version, it delivers between 562 and 602 horsepower. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, with a top speed of over 200 miles per hour. The engine is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that shifts with lightning precision. And with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the R8 delivers exceptional grip and handling, whether you're on the track or just cruising. In terms of pricing, the Audi R8 starts at around $160,000 for the base coupe, and can go up to over $220,000 for the fully loaded performance Spider. It's not cheap, but for what you get, style, speed, and prestige, it's worth every penny. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you'd love to see a test drive next. See you in the next video.